Morning, my name's Troy Delcom. Work for Southern Air. I say I work. This is basically home. Southern Air changed my life. Own my own business, Larry Delcom Air Conditioning. April 1st will make 2 years that Southern Air purchased me. June will make 43 years that I've been in the industry doing this, and Southern Air basically changed my life and changed my family's life. So they treat everybody like their family. They do an awesome job. Management come to work, love coming to work again. It just makes life worth living again. So things are great. Would have no regrets.